And the winner for today's giveaway is... इतनी जल्दी किस बात की है यार? Chill. I'm gonna announce the giveaway winners eventually in this video. For those of you who don't know what I'm talking about, so I was running a giveaway challenge on my Instagram channel, and I will be announcing the winners today in this video, somewhere in between. So do keep watching to know the winners. Also, this video is about all this stuff that I got from Nykaa. So basically, I've already unboxed it because of Corona, I'm not allowed to get the boxes inside the house. So I haven't opened anything that I have bought, but yes, I have unboxed it. So yeah, let's get started. And before we do, please do subscribe to my channel. My content is all about makeup and skincare. So if you're interested in this kind of stuff, please do subscribe to my channel, and please do like, voila, and please do like the video. Let's get started. And the winner for the giveaway is... let's just wait a little bit more. Anyway, so let's just start with the unboxing. The first thing I wanted to show you guys is the Eye Squad by Pack. It is something that I have been eyeing and waiting to buy since a while. I'm new to this whole YouTube thing, so just bear with me for a bit. I have been eyeing this since so long because, I mean, I wanted these nice makeup brushes and also, and it's such a cute packaging. Look at this silver packaging. Not silver, sorry, golden packaging. It's so pretty and everything. Look at it. Now let's open it. Ooh, these brushes. I am going to make another video on all of these brushes, a total different YouTube video on this topic altogether. But just look at these brushes. They're like about 15 brushes. Let me just open one or two and show you. Like, this is all you need when it comes to eye makeup. You wouldn't like need anything else. Just look at it. They're super soft brushes. Like, Pack, I have used quite a few brushes from Pack, and this brand really has some good and affordable brushes. Like, there are about 15 brushes here, all different for eyes. And yeah, like they're super good. Like, this is all you need for good eye makeup. Like, this is like everything that you could possibly need when it comes to eyes. You have it in here. So it was a deal, and I just had to buy it. So I will make another video on this product entirely very soon, because if I start getting into details in this video, it's going to be a very long video. So yeah, so this is what I got, the first thing. Let's move on to the next one. Also, I'm really sorry guys, there's a lot of construction that is going on around my building, so you're probably going to hear a lot of construction sound, so can't really do much about that. Next thing that I purchased, and I've been waiting almost a year to buy this, is the Huda Beauty palette. Now this palette, I got such a good deal. There was this Nykaa Pink Friday sale on, right? So I think normally this palette is for, look at this palette, so pretty. Anyway, so normally this palette is for somewhere around 5k and above, right? I got this, I think, for 2,300 or 2,500 during the Nykaa Pink Sale. It's like I didn't have to buy anything, like I didn't have anything in mind to buy at the Nykaa Pink Sale, but this was such a deal. I was like, okay, we have to buy this, like just have to. Look at the colors. Comes with this like that, and like this, such good colors. I'm gonna play around a lot with this palette. The next thing that I got is a few sheet masks, and if you guys are like, you know, there's so many variety of sheet masks and like which one to use, which one not to use. This one, which is from Innisfree, rice one, or any of the rice ones from any of the brands. Rice ones actually tend to really moisturize and hydrate your face. I've personally started only using this one and no other flavor, I don't know, of sheet mask. So these are like really good. Next thing I bought from Earth Rhythm is their 10% niacinamide revitalizing serum. Like niacinamide, I have recently introduced in my skincare routine, and I will of course make a detailed video on that as well. Right now I'm simply unboxing. Like, I will tell you all details about the niacinamide, what it is, what it isn't. Those of you who do know about it, this is a really good serum. I've heard about it a lot. Once I try it out, I will review it as well. But it is a bit thick compared to the previous Eclat niacinamide serum that I had used. It's a bit thick, like the texture is a bit thick. Next thing, which is a part of the giveaway, is the Sugar Plum Palette by NK Makeup. Look at these colors. Such fun colors to play with. I will swatch all of these in another video. Let me just swatch a few right now for you. Look at this pink shades. Just swatched a few to show you guys, and I'm not very good with swatches, being honest here, but they're not, like, I can't say they're super pigmented. They're definitely not compared to the Huda Beauty ones. I should definitely not compare, but like Huda Beauty comes in that luxury range, right? So, and these are like super affordable palettes. They are like, I think I got like 4 of these for 300 each, which was a steal deal, and I wanted to try all these different colors. I'll show you these as well, but yeah, they're damn affordable. But yeah, they're not that pigmented, but at the same time, it's not like they're not pigmented at all. Okay, now that I've shown the first giveaway, let me announce one of the giveaway winners. So the first winner for the giveaway is Fashion Wardrobe 20. Congratulations! Why don't you just DM me, and then we'll get in touch over there. Everyone who's a winner, just DM me, yeah? On Instagram. Okay, now the next one is Autumn Spice. These are the shades. Next one is Poison Apple. Look at this red shade, it's such a pretty shade. It's all plum colors. The last one is Under the Sea. Such pretty and fun colors. Like, look at that yellow, look at the green. Pretty shades. I'm gonna play a lot with them. I'm gonna make a lot of content with these also, and I'll make a separate video of all swatches and everything. And also I'll put swatch pictures on my Instagram, so do follow me there as well. Next thing, I got a blush from L'Oreal Paris. I heard a lot about it, so I just thought I'll try it out. Look at their packaging. It's like so niche. Ooh, look at it. Such a pretty color. Like, you can literally see my reflection and everything. Like, it's a little loud, but I do like my blush to be a little loud. So let's just try it while we're at it. It is quite pigmented too. Oh, it's a lot of blush. I do like the tiny little brush that they've given as well, but I've kind of overdone it. I kind of have salvaged the situation, so yeah, I think I do have a little more on this side, but it's fine. So this is in the shade 11, Be Fierce, and it's super nice packaging. I love it, and amazing shade. So this is what I got next. Moving on, I got another blush from MAC. Like, I heard so much about this, and again, I just had to. I absolutely love the clear packaging of this one, and this is in the shade That's Peachy. Cute, pretty shade, like such a lively, summerish shade. Let's swatch it. Now, I don't want to swatch it again on my face because I've already messed it up, but let's swatch it on my hands. Oh, it's such a, it's not a normal powder blush, huh, by the way. It's like super creamy. I don't know if you guys can see, but if I press this right, it really gets like pressed like that. Like, it's a really funny texture. I don't know if you guys can make out or not. Let's watch. It's gonna look really like on my hands it might not look that great, but when I apply it on my face, it's gonna look a really nice flushed pinkish summerish look. It's gonna look very pretty, very, very pretty on my face. I'm quite sure. I'm gonna try it the next time. Announce the second giveaway winner. So the second winner is Liana07. Get in touch with me over DM. Congratulations again. The next thing that I got from PAC, actually I didn't buy this, I got it for free along with the PAC makeup brushes that I got, the eye brushes, is the PAC primer. Like, it looks like this. I'm gonna try it out and review it for you guys. It doesn't have any fragrance or anything, but I quite like the bottle. Damn cute. I'm gonna reuse bottles. Do you guys reuse any kind of bottles to like makeup products, glass or that? Because I totally am that Indian, like, you know, who reuses everything. If you do too, let me know in the comments below. The next thing I got is like, this is completely like something, I see something new, something different in the market and I'm just like, I have to buy this. Like compulsive shopping habits. So this is from La Mabelle. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. So what it is basically it has these jade roller stones in it, and you can put your own lip balm, liquid lip balm or anything in it. Like it has this roller as well, like that. So you can put an eye cream or a lip balm, anything like that, and just use it on your lips or under your eyes. This is jade roller stones, including this, and this does open up so you can fill it inside this. That's what it is. Pretty simple concept. So you can use, like, for example, I really like massaging my face with jojoba oil or something, so I can put jojoba oil in it and massage it all over my face or just under my arms, or put any kind of liquid lip balm or lip oil in it and put it on my lips, something like that. So yeah, I am definitely gonna use this and try it out. Next thing that I got is Lakme Gold Liner. It's super affordable. All the products that I have bought, and if you like them, I will put it down in the description below along with the links of where to buy it from. All are from Nykaa only, so you guys can check that out. I will just swatch this for you guys. It's super nice, super pigmented. Like, I really like these Lakme eyeliners. I think they come in blue, green and black shade. I do wish they had a silver too. I don't know why they don't have a silver. Next thing, I got this white eyeliner from Nykaa AK, same brand as the eyeshadows. And I'm still not very happy with this white eyeliner because it's still very silverish zone. If you guys know of any white eyeliner, like proper white, do let me know. Or like on a silver side than white, you know what I mean? Next, I got this eyeliner from LA Girl in the shade like greenish shade. Let me swatch this as well. This is what it looks like. Oh, it's damn nice. I really like it. I like poppy color eyeshadows, sorry, eye kajals or whatever. They're damn nice. I'm gonna try a look with this as well. It's quite pigmented and it's quite dark. It's not like it's very light and all, so it's gonna really pop out if you wear it. Next thing, I got a shine eyeliner. It's a silver eyeliner from Color Essence, and let's swatch this as well. I've ended up getting 2 silvers because the previous one that I swatched, this one, I thought that's gonna be white, but it's kind of silver only. This, on the other hand, does look this didn't come all proper. It's all weird. Anyways, so let me swatch. I can't quite say how it's gonna look on my eyes. This is the one, but it looks pretty nice. But this shade and this shade kind of looks similar only, you know, so I've ended up buying 2 silver. Anyways, this is basically what you deal with when you shop online. Last thing that I bought is, it's basically 12 different type of soaps that are like, I'm totally into natural handmade soaps, so I got these from Wadi. They're 12 different types and a pretty good deal. I'll name out a few, and in between I'll also name out the third winner. So the first one is like, I'll name out a few, I won't name all 12 and bore you guys. So the first one is this exotic kiwi soap. Then we have Perchy peach soap. Then it's this neem and tulsi soap, and none of these soaps are for your face. Never use a soap on your face, guys. Always body. Let me just open one or two and show you guys. There's like fruit splash soap, like the different flavors or whatever you guys call it. This is what it looks like. They smell quite nice. So yeah, I got a good deal with these 12 soaps and all that. It's literally like for 12 months I've got soaps now. And the third winner, itni jaldi kya hai? I think that's about it. That's all I got from Nykaa this time, and I really hope you guys liked all my swatches. And I'm new to this, so if I've made any mistakes, do bear with me. I'll get better with time, I guess. And if you guys enjoyed watching the kind of content I make, the kind of videos I make, please do subscribe and please do like the video. Also there on Instagram, so do check out my profile and do follow if you like. That's all for today. I'll see you guys in the next video. Just kidding. I know I have to announce the third winner. So the third winner and the final winner for this month's giveaway is Nandita Swain 123. Please contact me via DM. Congratulations again. And I do have monthly giveaways on my Insta or YouTube either ways. So do stay tuned for the next one. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.